In today's world of health and wellness, practitioners need more than just coaching expertise to thrive. They need smart, integrated systems that streamline operations and create exceptional client experiences. That's where Practice Better comes in. Practice Better is a comprehensive platform built specifically for health and wellness professionals like nutritionists, functional medicine doctors, therapists, health coaches, and other holistic practitioners. From client onboarding and scheduling to telehealth sessions, billing, and habit tracking, this all in one software was designed to simplify your day to day tasks while elevating your professional presence. In this video, I'll walk you through Practice Better's core features and demonstrate why it's a trusted favorite among solo practitioners and wellness clinics around the world. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your existing workflows, this video will help you make the most of Practice Better in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the client management dashboard. Practice Better provides a centralized dashboard that displays your entire client roster and their individual details, appointments, forms, protocols, goals, and communication logs. Everything you need is accessible at a glance, neatly organized, and easy to navigate. This reduces time spent searching for information and helps deliver more personalized, informed care. Another key feature is the online booking and scheduling. Automated scheduling features let clients book directly through your availability, with options for one on one sessions, group events, discovery calls, and programs. Calendar syncing with Google or Outlook ensures that you're always up to date. This streamlines appointment management, reduces no shows with reminders, and creates a seamless client experience. Another key feature is the telehealth and secure messaging. Practice Better includes HIPAA compliant video conferencing, secure messaging, and file sharing, all integrated within the platform. No need for Zoom or third party tools. This enables virtual care delivery while keeping client communication private, secure, and professional. Another key feature is the custom protocols and recommendations. You can create personalized nutrition or lifestyle protocols that include meal plans, supplement suggestions, external resources, and more. These can be delivered manually or automatically. This supports client outcomes with clear, actionable, and customized plans that enhances engagement. Another key feature is the program creation and automation. You can turn your services into scalable programs, design multi session coaching series, workshops, or educational courses with automated delivery of modules, tasks, and reminders. This generates recurring income, allows you to work with multiple clients simultaneously, and reduces repetitive admin. Another key feature is the integrated billing and payments. Practice Better supports invoices, payment links, subscriptions, and even packages. Integrations with Stripe and Square allow you to securely collect payments and set up automatic recurring billing. This simplifies his finances by making payments, taxes, and reporting easy to manage all in one place. So, why is Practice Better a great choice? Practice Better is more than just a scheduling tool, it's an ecosystem designed to support the entire client life cycle, from the first consultation to ongoing follow ups. Its features are purpose built for health and wellness professionals, offering deep customization options without overwhelming users. For practitioners managing both administrative tasks and client care, Practice Better reduces mental load and allows you to spend more time on what truly matters, helping your clients get better. Its intuitive design ensures that even non tech savvy users can easily navigate the platform and build efficient automated workflows. What truly sets Practice Better apart is the community and customer support behind it. The platform is constantly evolving based on user feedback and its educational resources, from webinars to templates, empower practitioners to get better results for their clients and themselves. So, whether you're running a solo practice or a growing team, Practice Better grows with you. So, basically, if you're a coach, therapist, or wellness practitioner looking to elevate your practice with a modern, all in one solution, Practice Better delivers on every front. With tools to manage client care, automate programs, handle billing, and communicate securely, it helps you save time, scale smartly, and enhance your client impact. So, in an industry where client trust and experience are everything, having a platform that supports your mission is invaluable. Practice Better empowers you to deliver personalized, effective care while reducing stress in admin work behind the scenes. So, whether you're just starting or scaling your business, this tool will help you streamline operations and thrive in your practice. So start exploring Practice Better today and transform how you work, connect, and grow. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.